These are 4 basic exercises we do at Florida Spine Specialists to help with general posture and specifically the abdominals and lumbar spine muscles. This exercise helps strengthen the lower back muscles and the abdominal muscles. So you position yourself on the floor or firm surface with your wrists underneath your shoulders and your knees aligned right underneath your hips. You're going to pull in the belly button towards the spine and hold it there. You want to keep your back nice and flat. And you're going to lift the opposite arm and leg up off of the table. Go ahead. Good. Keeping the leg low to keep the back flat. You hold this position for a 5-second count and then slowly lower and switch sides. Alternating sides, opposite arm and leg, keeping the belly pulled towards the spine and the leg low so that you're trying to hold your body flat like a table. Okay, 5-second hold and alternate sides. Good. Keeping the head down in a perfect position so we're keeping the spine in a nice flat, straight, neutral alignment. Pulling the belly button in will also help with that. It's a 5-second hold on each side, repeating 10 times on each side and working up to 3 sets of 10. This exercise helps strengthen the deep abdominal muscles and the legs. You can use a pillow or you can use a small ball. You're going to place it between your knees. To engage the abdominal muscles, you first pull in on the belly just slightly, and then at the same time squeeze this ball. You're going to hold both together for a 5-second count and then release. So nothing moves, it's just a light pressure. Belly draws in slightly and a moderate squeeze on the ball. You want to keep breathing as you do this exercise. Release after 5. So you can exhale as you're squeezing, or you can count to 5 out loud if you find yourself holding your breath. Good. Pulling in here and a squeeze. Start with 10 repetitions and work your way up to 3 sets of 10. This exercise is for the deep abdominal muscles, but it also helps with pain control and to relax the lower back muscles. On your back, you're going to place one leg straight up into the air and just place the same-sided hand resting on your thigh. There's no motion here. You're pushing your hand and your thigh together. So the leg is trying to go this way, but you're resisting with your hand. Go ahead. Okay. You're holding that position for a 5-second count, and then you release and alternate sides. So the opposite side comes up, the leg is straight up and down, and you're pushing with moderate pressure your hand and your thigh together. This helps to engage the deep abdominal muscles, at the same time relaxing the lower back muscles. Holding for 5 and release, and you alternate sides, repeating 10 times on each leg, up to 15 times on each leg. And of course you want to breathe, so you can always exhale as you hold the pressure or count to 5 out loud. That's good. Perfect. This exercise you can use for head to toe. It's good for the upper body posture as well as for the abdominals and the lower back. And it's a push-up, but it's an easier push-up. You're going to put both hands on a wall. The further away you stand from the wall, the harder it is, so it's also adjustable. Your hand placement is about shoulder height and a little bit wider than your shoulder width. You want to emphasize keeping your body rigid like a board. So you're pulling your belly to your spine, which will help with that. Keeping your body rigid, you bend your elbows and lower your body down towards the wall, keeping it as straight as you can, and then push the wall away. You don't have to hold this exercise, you want to move your arms back and forth, just like you would a push-up on the floor, but a much more manageable position by doing it on the wall. The belly is always in, you're holding that firm and just focusing on keeping the spine straight and letting your arms do the movement. Perfect.